The U.S. stocks closed sharply lower on Wednesday as Treasury yields spike on worries that government debt would swell by trillions of dollars if Congress passes U.S. President Donald Trump's proposed tax cut bill. All three major Wall Street indexes closed with their biggest daily losses in a month. Small-cap stocks also fell sharply, with Russell 2000 index recorded its biggest daily loss since April 10. Larger dated Treasury yields rose after soft demand from investors in a $16 billion sale of 20-year bonds by the Treasury Department. The yield on benchmark US 10-year notes rose 11.5 basis points to 4.597%. During the sessions, the 10-year yield hit its highest since mid-February.
Today is another wild, volatile day in the markets, opened down, fought back, and then the major thing that happened was that interest rates went up. And so we had a 20-year auction. It did not go extremely well. It actually went pretty poorly, as the last two have now. So interest rates shot up across the board. It went up over 10 basis points over the 20-year and over the 30-year yield, and that's problematic. As we get through 5%, which now we are clearly through, it tends to gum up the works in the economy, in terms of consumer confidence, in terms of the stock market. And it's one of the big indicators that we're keeping an eye on right now. How much further can we go through 5%, or hopefully yields have peaked here? Where do we sit? Well, we still have a tariff threat, and now we have earnings that are looking like they may roll over for next quarter if you just listen to management commentary and if you looked at guidance, which has been weaker. So again, the market's trying to digest all of this, and the ultimate arbiter right now is the bond market, and it is in bond yields. And with yields going up, that's also going to put additional pressure on the stock market. So I think that's why after this huge rally, we've kind of felt some weakness here in the past few days.
A congressional committee set an unusual hearing as House Republicans sought to overcome internal divisions over proposed budget cuts, including to the Medicaid health program. Non-partisan analysts said the Republican bill could add between $3 trillion to $5 trillion to the federal government's $36.2 trillion debt.